Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. Today I finally got around to planting the sweet potato slips. Please excuse the rapid movement of the camera. It was kind of hard to both plant the slips and record at the same time. I wait until the slips are at least 1.5 inches before transplanting them into the garden. The sweet potatoes are being planted in a raised bed inside the greenhouse. I have a somewhat small area to grow in, but I do try to practice crop rotation each growing season. It's really quite simple. I just push the slips into the soil about 2 inches, water well, and that's pretty much it. It is a little chilly outside, but warm in the greenhouse, so the sweet potatoes should be fine. That's one of the benefits of having a greenhouse. It really does help to extend the growing season. Since the greenhouse has drip irrigation, the plants inside the greenhouse are typically watered every day for about 10-15 minutes. The soil in this bed is quite loose, so the sweet potatoes should do well here. And I have grown sweet potatoes in other beds and in the ground itself, and I have not had any problems with the sweet potatoes growing. That's it for this video. I will do a follow-up in a few weeks. By then, the slips should be well established. If you enjoy this video, please share, subscribe, and leave a comment. That'll help this channel to grow.